In this video, we're going to just go over a little trick that's going to help you in some future things that we're going to do. Not every textbook has you do this, but we're going to take numbers and we're going to break them down into their prime factors. This will help you when we work out greatest common factor. This will help you when we deal with square roots. This is going to be a really big deal. So let's just talk about it real quick. I'll only do double-digit numbers. We'll kind of do it by a 10 by 10 multiplication frame. So it should be pretty easy. So let's take the number 24, okay? And we want to break this down into prime numbers. Before I do that, maybe we should talk about what a prime number is. A prime number is a number that only itself and 1 can go into. So for example, 3. Well, I can only break down 3 to 3 and 1, nothing else. Okay, 5, I can only break that down to 5 and 1, nothing else. 6 is not prime because, yeah, I can do 6 and 1, but I can also do 2 and 3. So that would not be a prime number. So we want to break them down into prime numbers. So let's do 24. So there's a few things you can do. You could go 12 and 2. You can go 8 and 3. You can go 6 and 4. It really doesn't matter which one we do. So I'm going to go ahead and go 6 times 4. Okay. Now those aren't prime numbers. Those can break down even more. This can break down 3 times 2. I can't break down 3 and 2. Those are prime numbers. So I'm going to circle them when I get to them. And 4 will be 2 times 2. And so I'm going to write this as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And that's how we break down 24. Why are we doing this? Trust me, it's going to come in handy later. Okay? Let's do another one. Let's do, I don't know. Let's do 50. Okay? When I see a number that ends in 0, your first thought should be, well, 10 will go into it. And that is correct. So we're going to go 10 times 5. 5 I can't break down any further, so I'm going to circle it. 10 I'm going to break it down to 2 times 5. And now I'm left at 2 times 5 times 5. So breaking down numbers into their prime factors is a really important skill that'll happen later in algebra. Right now, just learn how to do it, and when we get to those steps in algebra, we'll show you how to apply it. So take a few numbers that I'm going to give you in some exercises, give it a try, and let's break down some numbers.